Can we find our Gmail password if forgotten? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can find Gmail password if forgotten. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Gmail and on your Gmail, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then you can tap on the top right corner on your profile icon. Then you can head over to manage your Google account. Then this pop-up should open up. Now what you can do is here you can find different sections such as profile info. So if you head over to profile info, you'll find your basic information about your account. So let's head over to data and privacy. And there's nothing really about our password and data and privacy. So let's head over to security. Under security, you should find how you can sign in into your Google. So right there, you'll see the password option. Let's head over there. And if you head over to the password section, it should, you will need to confirm that you're you. So I'll just type in the password. And after you're there, you can change your password, but there is no option to actually see your password. So that basically answers your question about if you can find your Gmail password if forgotten. The only thing that you can do is reset it. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.